Almost all people will experience a headache at some point in their life. They will vary in intensity, some being sharp, migrainous, or pulsating. Causes of pain in the temple. If you want to know more about this annoying symptom, we invite you to continue watching this ONsalus Health video about having pain in the temple. Dehydration. Often, a headache will manifest itself as a reaction in the body as a warning. Along with thirst, it can tell us we need to drink more water as we are not properly hydrated. When the body becomes dehydrated and the amount of water in the body decreases, a significant reduction in vital fluid occurs in the cells and muscles, seriously affecting their ability to function. Sinusitis. One of the most common causes of pain is sinusitis. This is the inflammation of the tissue which lines the sinuses due to viral, fungal, or bacterial infections. The flu and common cold are some of the most common causes. To understand why this condition causes temple pain, it's important to know that the sinuses are hollow air-filled cavities located in the skull behind the forehead, nose, cheeks, and eyes. Inflammation of the temple or arteritis. It can be difficult to identify, but when the arteries in the temple become inflamed, they cause what we know as temporal arteritis, a swelling of the blood vessels located behind the ears which reach up to the temples. This condition is more common in persons over 50 with polymyalgia rheumatica, a disease of the musculoskeletal system which causes severe stiffness in the shoulders, hips, neck, and lower back. Hypertension. Pain in the temple can occur in many people with hypertension when their blood pressure is high. Redness around the ears and body temperature also increase. Blood pressure is the force with which the blood hits the walls of arteries, so when this force is strong, the person is said to have hypertension. And here's our ONsalus Health video for today. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you found the video helpful, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more to come. We'll see you next time.